Hi, so today I am doing yet another clown makeup and I touched up my hair. You might notice that it's a little bit more pigmented than the last video, I guess. But yeah, I just went over it again with the same Lunar Tide Solar Flare hair dye, and it's a little bit more pumpkin-y now because I wanted it to be brighter for this video. So today I'm doing the orange clown makeup, which is the next on the rainbow, and we'll be technically completing the rainbow loop, I guess, of the clown makeup that I've done. I'm gonna get all my stuff ready and yeah, get started, do a time lapse of the process for you. But here, let me show you what the design is. So here's the last one, the red one, and this is today's. It looks a lot spookier. So I decided, since my hair is this like pumpkin-y color right now, that I wanted to do something pumpkin slash jack-o'-lantern related. So I'm basically turning myself into a pumpkin clown today, or a jack-o'-lantern clown today. So yeah, I think this one's gonna be one of, if not the most spooky out of all of the makeup. So again, there's that, and this is the other designs. So the mouth, I guess, and the nose are really intense in this one. It's a lot less like cutesy than the other makeup I've done, but I'm really excited to do this. I love spooky stuff. My hair probably won't be orange for Halloween this year because it's still a while till then and I'm gonna dye my hair again. But this is a fun little taste of it, you know? It's like an early Halloween makeup, I guess. You could definitely wear this on Halloween this year, that's for sure. But yeah, I probably won't be wearing it myself. I'll probably have a whole other costume in mind by then. But anyway, orange clown makeup. Here we go. Hello. So here's the finished look. I don't think it actually took as long as I expected it to. I also didn't record as much of it because, well, honestly, my phone's running out of memory, and that's something I need to deal with. But here it is. It looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. It's very, very creepy and spooky, and the orange, even if I wasn't doing a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin-y thing, I feel like black and orange are always just like perfect Halloween colors. And yeah, I wore my crochet top that matches this pretty well. And yeah, I used a combination of like regular eyeshadow and my Mayron body paints and my like cheap body paint. Yeah, and so I put the white base on first to give myself a paler look, and also so that the lighter kind of orangey color stands out more. And then I kind of started filling in the nose and outlining the mouth and stuff, and then I stopped doing that and started putting in the like orange outline, I guess, or like the, not really outline, the blending, I guess, or the orange shadow around those parts. So like my nose, my mouth, my eyes. And then I went back in and actually filled everything in where it's supposed to go, and you know, just like fixed any little mistakes, I guess, that I had, made it nice and smooth and kind of flow. And then I did the eyes and drew the lines and kind of, yeah, it was kind of the same process over and over again, where I just like, I started with like the darker orange, and then there was like a lighter orange on top and a yellow, and I kind of blended it all out into each other. And then I actually at the end went back in and like lightly with my black eyeshadow and my black liner brush, I went and kind of put those lines back in because the orange was all kind of blended in and I wanted to make it pop more, so I put the black lines in. And yeah, pretty straightforward, honestly. I feel like this isn't a very difficult makeup to do. It just, you know, it does take time, obviously, and it's it can be a little tedious because there's just like a lot of little bits and pieces, but I feel like this is just a really fun makeup to do if you're just, you know, a weirdo who likes to do creepy makeup, or if you're looking for a specific Halloween makeup. Jack-o'-lantern clown person thing is always perfect for Halloween. I don't think that's ever gonna get old. I actually wasn't sure if I was gonna like how the mouth was gonna come out, but I really do. I ended up not outlining every little bit, but kind of doing more like a one-sided like shading, I guess. I don't even know how to describe it, but like here you can see how I have the orange on one side but not on the other side, and I feel like it gives it a nice effect, almost like a 3D effect. Once again, this makeup wasn't perfect in any way. I wasn't trying to make it perfect. These two are obviously different. This one's a little bit higher up, and again, I feel like for this kind of makeup you don't need it to be perfect. Like, it can be a little bit messy, and that could, you know, like add to the look. Obviously I feel like there needs to be a balance of like the messiness and the sharpness of it, you know, because like it still needs to look like what you're trying to do, but the messiness I feel like doesn't necessarily ruin it. Or if there's like a mistake or two, I feel like you can try to like work it into the actual makeup, or, you know, just erase it and do it over again. I mean, I've done that too. Really, basically all I'm trying to say is if you're trying to do this makeup, don't stress too much about it and just do it, have fun with it, and it'll be great. So I guess this is the final rainbow clown look. I will be going back to yellow hair after this, but I don't know if I'll be doing another yellow clown makeup. I might not. I might. I don't know. I just feel like I don't like doing things that I've done before. It feels repetitive. So anyway, we'll see. But this is really cool. I'm gonna do like a kind of collage of the different clown makeup rainbow that I have now, and post that on some social media, probably all my clown pages for sure, and then, you know, some other places here and there, Facebook, Instagram, yeah. So definitely if you want to see all those pictures and all the other ones I post, because don't end up on YouTube anywhere, because you know I have the makeup video, but then all the pictures get posted elsewhere. So if you like all this clown stuff, you should follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I actually made like a whole Clownstagram and Clownsona named Bratty the Clown, so that's what my socials are for all this clown stuff, so follow me. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a like, and comment what your favorite clown makeup is so far if you've seen the other ones. I think this one is definitely the spookiest, and so in terms of like which one's the scariest, my most favorite scary makeup, I guess this one's my favorite, but I think just overall the purple one was my favorite so far. Let me know which makeup you like the most. If this is your first time watching and you aren't subscribed yet, I have other clown makeup on my channel, and I also do all kinds of creative artsy things, fashion, hair dyeing, everything art, everything and anything art. So yeah, if you like any of that, you should subscribe. I hope you have a great day and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.